Hey there, future digital entrepreneurs! Imagine turning your free time into a money-making machine right from your bedroom. Sounds cool, right? On this channel, we're unlocking the smartest, easiest, and most exciting ways teens like you can start making real money online in 2025. Whether you're into tech, creativity, or social media, there's something here just for you. From freelancing hacks to digital product goldmines, we've got the full game plan. We break it all down step by step, so you can start today with zero confusion. New videos drop every week with tips, tools, and real-life examples. Hit that subscribe button and turn your scrolling into stacking. This is your one-stop channel for teen money mastery. Let's get it started. 1. Freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and powerful ways for teens to earn money online in 2025. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can offer your skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, and so much more. You don't need a degree, just talent, consistency, and a bit of hustle. Start by creating a strong profile that clearly highlights your strengths and previous work. Take time to study what other successful freelancers are doing and model your gig descriptions to attract clients. Even basic skills like Canva design or proofreading can land you paying gigs. Set realistic prices to begin with and increase them as you build reviews and experience. 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a smart and scalable way for teens to make money online. These products could be anything from ebooks, design templates, digital planners, stock photos, to coding tools. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any extra work. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip to launch your store and start selling. You don't need a huge audience to begin. Start with friends, small communities, or school clubs. Make sure your product solves a problem or brings value, like a study planner for students or a preset for TikTok videos. Promote your products on social media to attract attention and drive traffic to your listings. 3. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is all about making money from YouTube without ever showing your face. You can run multiple channels that use voiceovers, stock videos, and AI-generated content. Think about channels that tell stories, top 10 lists, or how-to guides. These are all perfect for automation. Use tools like ChatGPT for scripting, Pictory or InVideo for editing, and royalty-free libraries for visuals and music. Focus on niche topics that have consistent views, like tech, motivation, or money tips. Optimize your titles and thumbnails to increase clicks and get discovered. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and even sponsorships. 4. Social media management. Every business wants to be on social media, but most don't know how to do it right, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll help brands, influencers, or local shops manage their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook accounts. You don't need a marketing degree, just creativity, consistency, and an eye for trends. Start by offering to help someone for free to build your portfolio. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. It's one of the easiest and most passive ways to make money online. You don't need to create your own product, just find great ones to promote. Use affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24 to find high-paying programs. Then promote them through content, YouTube videos, blog posts, TikTok, Instagram, or email lists. Make sure the product matches your audience's interests, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty items, or digital tools. And there you have it, the top 5 legit ways any teenager can start making real money online in 2025. If one of these caught your attention, don't just scroll, take action today and start building your online empire. I'll be here every step of the way with new videos full of step-by-step guides, insider tips, and motivation to keep you going. Whether it's freelancing, digital products, or growing a faceless YouTube channel, the tools are in your hands. So if you're serious about leveling up your income, subscribe right now and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. This is your space to learn, grow, and earn, and I'm excited to watch your success unfold. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts today.